Hello guys, and here is a tower, and this name tower is Cherry Blossom. Cherry Blossom Tower, and this is so super exactly. Look, it's a final look. Okay, I'm gonna copy in here and top the top and like this. Wow, amazing. Look. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait for me. What a shut up. Gonna fucking doubt. What the heck? Gonna. What the fuck? Oh my god, a pocket and a cover. Gonna lumpa and gonna jump in here. Ay, paano de?
Ha?
Din ka pa.
Dark pink.
De?
Oo.
Tapos,
Dark pink na yun. Kanina ko yun sa
Thank
bala. Tama
you.
ko bala sa ano?
oh my god!
Tama bala.
Kita ko na.
Di ba ganun pat ko?
Oh. Oh my god, paano ni?
Ha?
Ay, okay na. This is so pretty packing.
Ay.
Lugaw?
Lugaw?
Nahulog ka? Niwan ka? Ah, nahulog ako.